Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we can see that because of the war the price has moved and made a high of around 26.924, and it is a sudden spike we have seen. And now what we have seen that after a particular range it has moved, it has come in this particular range because there the price has overbought and now it is stabilizing the price at a particular level, okay, and made a low of around for a particular month 25.144. now it is trading currently around 25.294. suppose before that if you have any doubt regarding any position silver or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. If you look at the chart, what you can see that the price of silver is currently trading at around 25.272, and if it didn't sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of 25.103, and if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 24.909. okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 24.715, and if it goes further low, then we can see it can touch a level of 24.132. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 23.550, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 23 also. okay, and suppose if the price goes below 23, then we can see it can move towards a level of 22.773, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of 22.307. okay, and these levels are already being tested here, so chance of going towards a level of 21.968 is high, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 21.469. these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards a level of 21.669 is high, and once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 19.574. but suppose if the price sustain above this level, what we can see, it can move towards a level of 25.858, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 26.406. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can move towards a level of 26.556, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 26.805. okay, and if it sustain above this level, we can see it can move and touch a level of 27.005. okay, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances will be high. We can see it can move towards a level of 27.354, and from there we can see it can move towards a level of 28, and once if it crosses the level of 28, which is already being tested here, and weaken the resistance, so probability of going towards more high, that's 28.351 is high, and from there we can see a level of 28.800 also, and it can go further upside. okay, and if it can, probability of going touching a level of 29 is high. okay, and if it goes above 29, I'll make another video because I'm continuously monitoring the price of these silvers and other commodities. okay, and if you are investing for a longer view, that is 5-10 years, that's a good thing, you can invest. but if you are trading, so understand one thing, it's a risky thing. if you trade with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. suppose if you take 5 trades, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1%. so you know your risk. That means if you're trading with $10,000, you're trading with 10 to 15%, that is $1,000, and risk should be 0.5 to 1% per trade, that is around $50 to $100. if you take 5 trades, you know that your risk will be $500 full per 100 per trade. okay, so you should, if you lost even 5 times, you know that risk is 500. you can trade properly in the next day, otherwise you will fall into a trap of recovering your capital, and that is how you will lose more of your capital. so okay, learning is very important before if you start trading or investing. okay, so you can attend my workshop also, where I teach one-on-one as well as in the group. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.